Hi there, welcome. Dori Soukup here, founder of InSPAration Management, with another issue of Inspiration Moments. Here we are already in May, and as you know, this month is Mother's Day. So I'd like to start by giving a shout out to all the moms and saying Happy Mother's Day. I know it's a little bit different and unusual, but it is still time to celebrate moms and appreciate them for all the things that they actually do for us. So as we navigate through this entire coronavirus nightmare, pandemic, whatever you want to call it, it's time to sit back and think, because out of every situation, there's always a positive and there's always a negative, or not always, but a lot of the times. So as we were going through this process of sheltering at home, now some states are actually opening up to business and going through that transition. Being at home, I think, got a lot of people to stop and think and almost push that reset button to really look at our lives and how we live them. And what did we really like about our life and what did we not like about it? So I was sitting this past weekend reflecting at all the things that have been happening, how hard my team and I have been working to help all the members, help our business. So it's almost like we were navigating two crises, trying to come up with solutions for all of our business, but then also come up with solutions for our clients and our mastermind members. So as we went through this whole ordeal and we're almost coming out of it now, I was sitting this past weekend thinking, what really makes me happy? What really makes me happy on a personal level and then a professional level? And I started writing down all the things that I'm happy about right now, and maybe things that I was not so happy about, and came up with this whole big list. And it's very interesting to look at that list once you create it and see what has been making you happy in your pre-coronavirus life and what has not been making you happy. What are some of the things that you don't like to do and you don't want to do? So it's a good time to pause, take a look, push reset, and make any necessary changes that you want to make. I made a decision that when we come out of this, I really want to start doing all the things that make me happy. I don't want to just keep work. That's all I did, really. My whole life is work so hard, and trying to balance that lifestyle and working hard sometimes is a challenge for many of us. So I wanted you to actually take some time, do this little exercise, and see what you would like to change about the things that you liked, about the things that you don't like, and the things that you want to keep doing that you like. So do it and then let me know what you think. It's a good little exercise to do. In this issue, we prepared so many great things for you to tap into. The first thing is reading the featured article. It's a great success story. So if you want to get inspired, get uplifted, see how people are reaching success now, it's definitely a good read for you. So grab a cup of tea or a glass of wine, whatever makes you happy again, and sit down and actually read the featured article. I used a true client for you example, actually several different client examples of what they were able to achieve even now. So that's the featured article. In the Bright Idea, we're going to talk about two different business strategies that we actually created during the coronavirus. And those two will be detailed in the Bright Idea. So tap into those so you can start making money even now. So it'll be a great thing for you. For the Dori Recommends, I have a super duper webinar for you coming up. It's with Shelby Miller. She's the rock star Injector on Instagram. She has over 85,000 followers on Instagram. I wish I did. So Shelby's going to be joining me on a webinar, and it's going to be about 6 steps to gaining followers and converting them into clients. So you're going to absolutely love this webinar. So make sure you sign up for it. It's going to be in the Dori recommends section, and make sure that you register for it. Now we have a bunch of important dates too that you'll see in this inspiration moment issue. All the navigation webinars that we are doing to help you minimize disruptions through the coronavirus and come up with a recovering plan. We've already done over 35 webinars in like a month and a half. And we have been putting out so much great information to really help the community, but also to help our own members. So check out the calendar on inspirationmanagement.com, and there you'll see all the different webinars that we are hosting. Everything we're doing as far as the public and the industry is free. You get to come and attend and learn and share with others the things that you learn so you can implement them and make the best out of them. So that's what we have in this issue. Please enjoy it. Leave us comments. Go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel, because that's where we're putting all these webinars, and ring the bell. That way you get notification as soon as we actually put a video out. So that's what we have in store for you. So stay tuned for the featured article.